22.
Okay, next elevator. This is the elevator at Vintage Antique something. I forget the name of the place. And it's
okay, I'm out. I'll take the stairs and I'll meet you up there.
Just wait.
Don't you dare drag me back.
I dragged you back. I want you get on it this time. Oh, it's low pitch.
Okay.
That's cool. Oh,
I
that definitely
oh
is a
wow.
Schindler HD.
What the heck? What are we finding?
If I hear the higher pitched chime, I will melt.
Here we go. Oh. This probably is a 321A, actually. I think it is. Oh.
What the heck was that? Yeah, that. What was that?
Sound pad.
That was weird.
I was not expecting low pitch. This is just. I think this place is named like Vintage Antiques or something. So there's something antique accessories. I don't remember. I'll put the name in the title. All right, that's it.